Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response, love and support to my channel. Please keep, continue your continued support. And also before we begin the video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you people, and this is to let you know what you need to hear right now. So I've made three piles here. This is pile number one, the Art of Tarot deck with the tiger's eye crystal on top. This is Rider Waite Tarot deck, pile number two, with the black tourmaline crystal on top. And this is pile number three, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. You just need to think about your situations, whatever situation you are in, wherever you need to, you feel that you need this intervention. Please think about your situations, and you could put the video on hold. And also remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number one, the Art of Tarot deck. What you need to hear right now. People who've chosen pile number one, you're maybe in a situation wherein things are a little slow. You were expecting something, very positive to happen, or you really put in efforts for a positive outcome. You've had your bit of positivity as well as negativity in terms of phases. You've had a good share also. You've had a part and parcel of a little bit of a negative slow time also. And your situation, whatever it is a relationship, it could be a situation, it could be your work, anything that's on your mind. You're just a few steps away from reaching your goal, I should say. That's what the cards are you know uh, telling me. And it's not that you're not happy or you're disappointed or you've not got the results. It's just that the stress is coming because the situation is a bit slow moving. You're in a phase wherein things are a little stagnant, things are a little slow moving. But rest assured that there is going to be divine intervention in your situation, your relationship, whatever it is. And that's what the cards are telling you, that this is what you need to hear at this point in time. It would give you a sigh of relief that whatever this problem is, whatever this situation is, the stress, the anxiety, whatever it is, it's just very soon going to fade away, and divine intervention will happen. The Almighty will guide you, the Almighty will help you move this situation to a positive one, and make things happen for you in a better way. Also, it's you might have to take a few decisions. You're in a situation wherein you need to weigh a lot of pros and cons. You're weighing a lot of things. It could be people, it could be a situation, it could be just comparing. You're in a way where you need to choose maybe a life partner, a job, a relationship, anything wherein and you're just feeling that things are not in your control, or it's getting difficult for you to choose. Maybe you've put this situation on hold, you've just ignored it because you don't know how to deal with this matter. So you've just ignored it, and you're just contemplating what really needs to be done. So yes, it's very clear, you move your steps, you do your bit, and unexpectedly something will happen. Unexpectedly the divine will help you, the Almighty will help you in the form of anything. If you're stuck in a situation of finances, your finances aren't moving ahead, you were waiting for a loan to pass or something, you needed that big chunk of money, anything that was on your plate, and it's not moved ahead. So maybe your loan gets passed, some you know unknowingly, from somewhere you were not expecting a financial amount to reach you, but it reaches you. So that, or a third person who from out of nowhere comes and helps you in your situation, guides you, anything on those lines. I see that unexpected help, that unexpected fortune is coming your way. And the end result of this whole situation is, first of all, things getting coming under your control, because I see that's what you're missing. Also, things moving your way. You need to listen to your inner self, you need to listen to your gut feeling, people who've chosen pile number one. So make sure that your spiritual connection is at its peak in this time. And the next 2 months are, very spiritually very helpful for you. You will be guided by your own higher self. So try and seek for guidance through your in your through your inner self. Also, towards the end of this whole thing, I see you getting the balance of everything in your life, whether it's your relationships, it's your family life, it's your finances, it's your work satisfaction, job satisfaction, anything on those lines. Everything works out for you by the end of it, and I see contentment, I see completion of your all your tasks, this negative phase, this stagnant phase leaving you. And also, whatever efforts you put at this point in time will give you the best results possible. And like I said, the next 2 months are very spiritually very important for you. So make sure that you uh, are you channelize your spiritual energies in the right manner. 24 days from now, I see you getting new opportunities, new channels, new ideas for whether ventures, whether anything on those lines, whatever is on your mind, whatever is the situation. Since these are general readings, I'm sure everybody has different situations, but this is what you need to hear right now, that just make the most of this time. It's not a negative time, it's just that your efforts are a little, you need to put in more efforts. And if you've left a situation because you're feeling that you don't really know how to deal with it, if you've left things because you can't choose, just do your bit and see how the almighty or the universe just sends you the correct guidance, the correct help that you need, and you will be guided on your own. This struggling phase, this stagnant phase will end very soon for people who've chosen pile number one. Let's see what the Moonology cards want you to hear. So just release any kind of negativity that's inside you, or it's coming from the past, or in this situation, that things are stuck, why isn't it moving. Don't send out negative energies to the universe. Also, your emotions might be running extremely high at this point in time, because you're at a brim of something, you're wanting things to change, you're wanting things to happen. So it's just this time that you just need to release the negativity first of all, and remove the stress, remove the anxiety, and rest. It's just you, it's just going to happen by you. Whatever this situation is, you yourself will be able to deal with it. Things will just happen for you. Your hard work will pay off very soon, people who've chosen pile number one. So whether it's relationships, whether it's work, whether it's finances, anything that is, just be bold, make your move, and see how the universe helps you. So the Moonology cards are also confirming, be bold and make the first move, whatever your situation is. Even if you have to, if you're in a relationship and things aren't really moving, you're feeling that things are stagnant, whatever it is, you be bold, remove your ego, just make the first step and see how things work for you. Don't let anything stop you. You're good enough. Keep your vision focused, you need to hold your vision. So again, spiritual channelization, tapping into your spiritual energies, the spiritual connection is very important for you at this point in time. You need to hold your vision, you need to be focused. Guidance, you will be guided by your own inner self, your gut feeling, your intuitions are very high. And again, I'm saying the Moonology cards are also repeating that the emotions at this point in time are very high. So everything is just going hand in hand for you. It's time for you to take action. Like I said before, maybe you've put things on hold, maybe you're ignoring the situation because you've just shoved everything under the carpet because you feel that you don't have an answer. So it's time for you to take action right now. Move ahead and see how the universe just guides you, how you will be directed, your each step will be directed. And in the beginning also I said that there is going to be divine intervention in your situation, whatever it is. So just make your move, just remove the negativity, release it, and remove the stress and the anxiety, and see how things just work out for you. So I wish you all the best, people who've chosen pile number one, and I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What you need to hear right now. So people who've chosen pile number 2, I see that your situation, whether a relationship, whether whatever situation you are in, career, finances, you've gone through something major in the past, whether it's an argument, whether it's a major fight, whether it's a quarrel. So it's given you a lot of stress, but now things are under your control for you. For people, if the things aren't under your control, next 4 to 8 days things will be under your control the way you want them to be. Whatever the situation is, it requires a very nurturing attitude. So whatever your situation, whether relationship, whether family life, job, career, people around you, it requires you to just nurture your relationship, nurture your situation. This is a time of bonding. You really need to make your bonds stronger, whether it's your relationship with your partner, with your person, with your lover, or it's just a business relationship, business venture, two people working together or two or more people working together. It's important to first build your relationship and then move forward. People who've chosen this particular pile for relationships with your person, it's important for you to sit and relax and speak to your person, channelize your energies towards each other, talk it out, whatever the issue was in the past. And don't be suspicious of a person. Don't think that if something like this has happened in the past, things will be, you need to get that trust back. You need to get that confidence in your person back. So that's very important. People who've chosen this particular pile for finances or for career related uh, situations. So it's going to take some time for your situation to get smoothened or get better. But especially if you've chosen this pile for finances, let me make you just make you relax that things will work in your favor, whatever you've chosen this for. And unexpected help is coming to you in any form through a person. Like if you feel that you need help in your finances or in your work or in your career, please don't shy away. Please don't get your ego in between, because you will get help. It's destined for you that things will work for you, things will be under your control. You just need some third person helping you out. So try and seek that guidance from that third person, or think who really can help you in your situation. 24 days from now, your situations will be getting better, positive, and in the right direction. If you're getting thoughts of walking away from the situation or leaving the situation or leaving the relationship, anything on those lines, please remove these thoughts, because this is just a temporary passing phase. For a lot of you, whatever the issue was, whatever the negativity was, it's already been taken care of. It's already gone and done with. The next 2 months are very positive for you. So just nurture your relationship, nurture your bond. Also, I see your relationship, your future, you know, with a lot of peace and prosperity, love in both your relationships. People who've chosen this pile for your work related thing or your career related thing or finances, anything on those lines, it's your time. Get back the fire element in you. Just push yourself to work hard, strive hard to be successful. Don't let the feeling of walking away from this situation or from this whole whatever you are in come in you. It is a stressful time, I agree, but your fighting spirit is stronger than the stress. 28 days from now, you will be back to a very a platform wherein you just have to execute your plan. Everything will be sorted out for you. People who've chosen pile number 2, things would be set for you on the table. You just need to pick it up and execute whatever you require. So the cards are very clear that everything will be sorted out for you. You just need to make the first move and push yourself to strive for excellence, to strive for success, and to just battle in this situation and come forward like a warrior, and victory is yours. I do see new beginnings for people who've chosen pile number 2, and I do see you going way ahead of whatever you thought of. Success is all yours in any situation. People who've chosen pile number 2 for anything related to education, higher education, studies, if students, you've chosen this pile, this is your time to shine. Just aim high, don't be shy of aiming, and work hard, strive for whatever you desire, and it's all yours. It's written there that you will get whatever you put your efforts in. And don't feel scared or stressed just because you need to work hard or things are a little slow moving. Balance is entering your life very soon. Your yin and yang will be balanced. I see your weight getting over. You're waiting for something, anything on any weight that there is, it's getting over. Contentment is on the cards. And whatever has happened in the past, like I said in the beginning, you are coming from a place wherein you've gone through a lot of stress, you've gone through a lot of maybe argument, fights, confusion, backbiting. Something fell down, something just broke. Maybe you've had a sour relationship and you're just scared of finding a new person in your life. Or you've just had a bad relationship, you've had a bad marriage, and now you're thinking, how can I again get in my feet into the same thing again. So don't worry, let the past be. Live in today's moment, cheer up and live in today's moments. That's what the mystical wisdom cards are also guiding you, and that's what you need to hear. And just make your own trail now. This is the time. You've been given another chance. You've been given another chance by the universe to blaze your own trail. Be original. Don't follow anybody's footsteps. Just do what your heart tells you. Go with the flow and let things happen. Just don't worry. Just don't anticipate what the future holds for you just because you've had a bad past. You need to just forget about your past, leave this whole situation at the back and move forward. You need to take the leap of faith. So all the cards, everything is just making a form of a story for you, people who've chosen pile number 2. And just be original, be childlike, have that innocence in you to just wander and make your own path. Be adventurous, be goal oriented, as well as just and rest. Just let the universe guide you, let things happen for you. And also just take the leap of faith. You need to forget the past, you need to forget this situation that it's that's just troubling you. You need to take that big jump, and the jump, that the leap of faith can only be taken with the belief in the universe, with the trust in the universe that you will not fall. Whatever is happening for your good, and you will be in you are safe. You are in the hands of the almighty. There is divine intervention in your story. And just jump ahead and just believe that everything is the best for you. Also, again, I'm repeating, people who've chosen this pile for education or some work related, job related, you're trying to start a business and you're anticipating, maybe you had a business failure at the past and now you again want to begin but you're scared. So just, you need to be creative, you need to follow your passion. If you think that this is what your passion is, just go ahead. You will be you will be on the path of success. Nothing can stop you from getting success. Also, people who've chosen this pile in terms of relationships, like I said before, your relationship is a little difficult. It's gone through a little rough patch, but you both are still together. So it's important for you to cherish your memories with your person, and again with that faith in your person, without any suspicion, without any mistrust. You need to again get back your just be with your person, and you need to cherish your memories and start afresh with your person, and without any kind of judgment or mistrust or dishonesty. And also believe in your person, that you and your person are for each other. And like I said in the beginning, that I do see the relationship prospering. I see the relationship with being peaceful and moving ahead. So that was for you, pile number 2. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Also, please share my channel, and thank you so much for dropping by, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. What you need to hear right now. People who've chosen pile number 3, you're expecting a change, you're expecting a big change in your situation. You want this situation to change. There's a lot of stress, your expectations have been hurt. Maybe you and your person have had a fallout, there's been an argument, you're wanting a patch up to happen. The stress and anxiety is at its brim, and a lot of stagnancy, a lot of dullness. You're waiting for that success. You want this whole situation to change. Especially people who've chosen this pile for relationships, you're waiting for a patch up, and you and your person reuniting with each other. And it's going to happen soon, but for a lot of you, 2 months is the maximum time that the relationship will reach a positive note and things will be happy between you both. If you've chosen this pile for thinking about family planning, you want to plan a child, you have those plans, again, this is the wonderful time. This is a wonderful time for couples who've chosen this pile for that. And 2 months, the good news will be there, and things will be like sorted for you. Also, if you've chosen again relationships, I'm again saying that it's going to take some time, but you and your person will be together. It's just a matter of time. This whole situation, this whole stressful situation will change, and you and your person are going to be together. Your person is the right person for you, so just be rest assured that your bond, your relationship is going to bloom with love. And for people who've chosen this pile for any situation, that stress is there in you and you want things to calm down, cool down, you want things to go the way you want them to. So 28 days for you, everything will be in your hands. Things will be for you on a platter. You will know this is the situation. I need to call the shots. I need to do this. Everything will be happening the way you want it to. Whether it's a business, whether it's your job, whether it's anything on those lines, 28 days from now, things will be sorted out for you. Your efforts will be rewarded. People who've chosen pile number 3, your financial situation will be at its peak at this point in time, so you don't need to worry about your finances. Your work, your business, your job, your career, everything will be sorted out. If there are issues, try and tap into your spiritual connection, because the universe is quite giving at this point in time for you. And I see your situation changing. I see this whole stressful change happening. You will have a 360-degree change in your life, positive change. A lot of you might shift houses, and a lot of you might do a big purchase, a car, whatever is on your mind. And suddenly, this new phase of your life will start. Your relationships will start blooming. Your finances will take a new leap. You might have a promotion, you might have a better job. I see celebration on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. And you know you might have been saving for something. Finally, you will be in that situation wherein you are ready to buy whatever you need to. So keep up that happy spirit in you, keep up that working spirit in you. Don't be overconfident. Also, you need to be thankful to the universe for giving you this moment, for giving you this time, and removing all the stress. So it's important for you to just do some kind of charity. And also, please, you need to introspect. You need to uh, ask your higher self, inner self, for guidance. You need to be grateful. So your spiritual connection needs to be really strong at this point in time. And the next 4 months for a lot of you people out there, it's all going to be about you. You will be able to do everything that's on your mind, but it's just very important for you to be very cautious about your thoughts, about the people who you are with. You need to go in the direction of the universe. Where the universe is taking you, the universe will take you to the best positive side. Just be a little cautious about the people around you, because you will be blooming high. You will be in a different space, a very happy space altogether. So not everyone is able to digest this. There are people who are jealous. There are people who try to pull you down. So just make sure that you know who you're sharing your success with. At times, you're really happy, but because you're doing so well in life, you don't have people to really share your success with. So you might have that kind of a time coming in your life, because you'll be doing really well, you'll be celebrating, you'll be enjoying. So just try and be happy with your own self. And the next 2 to 4 months are a very beautiful phase for you people who've chosen pile number 3. A good balance is coming in your life, and there's divine intervention. The universe is with you. This is all happening because there is this divine power who which wants you to get the best. So all the dullness, all the stagnancy is just going to fade away very soon. Whatever stressful situation you are in, I see relationships blooming, I see partnerships happening, business partnerships, new ventures, new ideas, your work, anything. People who are in a relationship, you might just get married to each other, you might just take this relationship forward. I said in the beginning, a wonderful time for couples who want to plan a family. So it's going to be a complete package of good health, family life, having spending your time with kids, doing well at your work, financially you will be doing well. So a beautiful time approaching you people who've chosen pile number 3. So just a lot of contentment on the cards, lot of new beginnings. You going really high, people who've chosen pile number 3. A new phase in your life of victory, success, and new beginnings is starting. So just be grateful, just be happy, don't be overconfident, and don't let this get onto you in your head. All the weight is getting over. But again, I'm repeating, please be aware, please be cautious of the people who are around you. You can't afford to share this with everybody. You have to be very selective with the people who you are going to be sharing your uh, happiness with, or your achievements with. So yes, the struggle is definitely getting over in very soon. It's going to be different time periods for different people, because it's a general reading. But overall, a wonderful time approaching people who've chosen pile number 3. And let's see what the miracle cards are wanting you to hear at this point in time. So first of all, people who've chosen this pile for relationships, the key essence in your relationship is honesty and clarity. So just remember that this is the time where you need to just reinforce the trust and faith in your relationship. Also, at work, whatever relationships you are have, just be open, just be trusting. Also, it's warning you that do not be with people who you think you can't trust. Also, avoid gossip, avoid anger, because it just attracts a lot of jealousy among people. You'll be doing very well in life. Relationships need to be assessed very closely before you commit or promise anything. So both the cards are just telling you to be aware of the people, be aware of the other relationships in your life. You can't just trust everybody blindly. Also, you need to be true to yourself. You need to establish the spiritual connection. Be let go of all your worries and your fears, because a wonderful time is approaching you. And your intuitions, your beliefs are going to be very strong at this point in time. And that's what I said, your spiritual connection needs to be really channelized in the right manner. Push aside laziness, push aside distraction, keep that spirit of doing well, that fire element, just keep it up in you, and look beyond yourself. Don't afraid, don't be afraid to aim high. Also, there's a lot of positive aura coming your way, promising promotions, growth, everything is coming your way. Expect miracles coming, and please seek inner guidance. That's very important, people who've chosen pile number 3. Also, take control of your life and stop depending on other people. It's very important for you to just be in a zone of positivity, and all your worries and troubles are going to get washed away very soon. There is divine intervention going to take place in your life. So I wish you all the best, people who've chosen pile number 3. A wonderful time is approaching you. So just, be receptive to this time with open arms, and be in an attitude of gratitude. Be thankful to the universe for giving you so much, and just seek inner guidance. I hope the reading was resonant with you and it's beneficial to you. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and thank you so much for all the love and support. I'll be coming back with more such readings for all you people, and take care and stay safe.